All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is an exciting day for all of us here at Oldham County.
A little rain can't ruin a sunny disposition or a sunny event, and that's certainly what we have here. Today is a great event.
Without all of this work and all of these people coming together, celebrations like today are not possible. So to be here to celebrate this kind of growth with you is amazing.
Today we gather here not just to break ground on this new facility, but to celebrate a pivotal moment in our company's transformation. A moment that symbolizes growth, innovation, grittiness, and the bright future that lies ahead for our organization. This new facility will have a profound impact on the Oldham County community. By creating jobs and supporting local businesses and engaging with the community initiatives, we're going to contribute positively to the fabric of this community. Let's celebrate this groundbreaking as the start of something extraordinary and a new chapter in our story. Let's dig some holes.